Auroras are caused by charged particles from the Sun colliding with Earth's atmosphere. These particles are guided by Earth's magnetic field toward the poles. The colors of the aurora depend on which gas is being excited. Green is from oxygen at lower altitudes, while red comes from oxygen higher up. Auroras have been observed on other planets. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune all have auroras because they also have magnetic fields. The northern lights can produce sounds that have been heard from the ground. Researchers have recorded crackling and clapping sounds associated with bright auroras. The strongest aurora in recorded history was the Carrington Event of 1859. It was so bright that people could read newspapers at night by its light. Auroras typically occur at altitudes between 100 and 400 kilometers. This is higher than most clouds and aircraft fly. The shape of an aurora changes with the strength of the solar wind. Calm solar wind creates smooth arcs while stormy wind creates dramatic curtains. The aurora oval is a ring-shaped zone around each magnetic pole where auroras are most frequent. It is about 3,000 kilometers across.